Hello guys, so today we are back. Sorry. Jeez. So it's not even 3 a.m. It's like 7:30. We're still hearing weird noises with ghosts. So, and make sure to check out my friends' channels at Kitten Vlogs with the Sans logo.
If you guys know who that is, then I'll just basically just look. He's just going like that or something like that, with a blue jacket basically.
Lexi, tell them.
Hold on, let me.
It's a selfie.
Oh, it is.
That's called real bad. Hi.
Hola.
Hola.
Okay, so can you show them the stuff? Like the creepy stuff.
She's gonna sleep.
So we've been awake for a few hours and we heard some noises. And look what we found. Look, this guy is moving on in. Look, you see that? That guy is like moving around.
It's because of the wind.
There is no wind.
Oh yeah, there is no wind.
This is inside.
The door is
Like, it's windy in here, but there's no, like, this is just glass. There's no doors. Like,
oh my gosh, I'm getting
Look at the lights.
Look at the tree, first of all. Looks like it's about to knock over
so,
any second.
that's our first concern. Then, and then we got this.
Please help me.
She's been standing there for over 3 hours.
I'm not comfortable with this baby being in the cage.
Okay, so that's supposed to be a decoration. You guys may be thinking, no big deal, but when we woke up, she was supposed to be somewhere over there, but found her over here, and
How did she get over here?
that's kind of a concern. Oh wait, no, she was on that handle, remember? And then she went over here.
Oh yeah.
So that's our concern. So,
It's getting really cold in here.
yeah, it's so cold. Yeah, haunted bag of Cheetos. Wait, haunted bag of Cheetos.
This stove is really hot, so might get hot.
We're not gonna touch it.
And it's not even been on for like that was like, the party was yesterday.
Knife.
Oh, okay. I
That's
didn't.
not my knife.
Okay. I'm just gonna cover that. I don't like that.
My mom is
So there are a lot of haunted places in this.
Oh, but you guys haven't seen the even more haunted things that happen at 3 a.m.
Yeah.
By the way, go check out my 3 a.m. table thing. I know it's fake, but the restaurant is actually super old. Lexi may not have known that, but it was like originally built like in the
You're not
18
even showing me.
the 1875, and then like I don't know, it was like a house, and then they rebuilt it as a motel room, and then they made a restaurant. So it's pretty old. Oh God, it's moving. And there's weird noises.
Please help me. Please help me.
You guys can see that the door's not even open.
Okay, guys, check out my mime.
What are you doing?
He's a mime.
Make
Mime.
sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment down on the video.
And also
And see you
tell us-
later, guys.
tell
See you
us-
later,
wait,
guys.
wait.